This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled onions for tacos. First, thinly slice 1 red onion and set it aside. Next, combine 1/2 cup of white vinegar with 1/2 cup of hot water in a heat-proof jar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar until dissolved. This simple brine is the key to perfect flavor and texture for your tacos. Now, carefully place your thinly sliced red onions into the jar. Pour the warm brine mixture directly over the onions, making sure they are completely submerged. This ensures even pickling and vibrant color. Seal the jar tightly with a lid. Let it cool to room temperature on your counter before refrigerating. Once cooled, transfer the jar to your refrigerator. For the best flavor, let them chill for at least 30 minutes, though a few hours or overnight is ideal. These delicious pickled onions will keep well in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. They add a fantastic tangy crunch to any taco, salad, or sandwich. You can easily customize your pickled onions. Try adding a few black peppercorns or a bay leaf to the brine for an extra layer of flavor. Some people enjoy a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. These simple additions can elevate your tacos to a whole new level, making every bite a delightful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.